How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And today, before we get this video started, I want to thank you, the subscriber. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Alright, well, I haven't made a video all week, well, for several days. Me and the wife, it was our 34th wedding anniversary, so we went away for the weekend, and I haven't watched no videos, guys. There's none whatsoever, so sorry if I haven't got there. Maybe I can catch up, maybe I can't. I don't know. There's so many videos now, it's not even funny, but I'll try to get to them, guys. I will try to get to them, but Big Charlie, he got a hold of me the day before we left for our anniversary, and our anniversary was on March 17th. Well, the day before, he told me, Chris had just passed away. Everybody knows Chris. If you don't, his legend will live on, that's for sure, in the modeling community. I talked to Chris quite often. Matter of fact, he was like one of my first buddy builds. He did a buddy build with me, and I used to send him parts. Like if he needed a part, like say the Sunbeam he had worked on, I sent him parts to that to help him with that James Bond car. I sent him a Datsun little 70s or whatever, Datsun AMT or MPC, whatever it was, Datsun pickup he built on his channel. I love the guy. We had a great bond. I mean, yeah, that's hard to hear. We knew he'd been battling cancer for a while and everything, guys, and that's the news I didn't want to get right before me and the wife to celebrate our anniversary. That's for sure. And guys, I've gotten texts and all kinds of stuff, and I haven't responded to nothing, guys. I'll get there. So matter of fact, speaking of our buddy build, this is the one that me and him had done together, and he built his, and then I built mine, and he loved the old IMC, kind of like old Matt from Model Cars Video. He loved the IMC kits, and he had did his, and then this is the way I did mine. We did both these kits. They're the 48 coupes from IMC, and that was our last buddy build together. So gonna miss Chris. Guys, that'll get you thinking about your own mortality, and how you want to be perceived and thought of, and he was such a great guy, such an awesome model builder. I say awesome a lot. That's a word I use a lot. He inspired me, and he was one of my heroes too. Alright, well, there's been a lot of videos made about Chris, and we're going to miss him, and everybody, pray for his family. Pray for his family. Alright, with that being said, I've got a couple shop cards in, and I haven't had time to make the videos, but here we go. Mr. Gary Seeds, from Hanging with Mr. G Seeds. Thank you very much, guys. If anybody I mention, I'll leave in the description below, okay? Y'all go check him out. Man, this dude is a talented automotive painter, model painter. I mean, this dude can do it all. He is one hell of a builder, guys. His channel is just blowing up, and it's to be expected. I mean, the guy is just freaking phenomenal. I mean, some people, they're just great at what they do, and I'm going to tell you right now, he's one of them. All right. I've been waiting on this card. Mars Garage. Old Marcelo. Mars. thank you very much. Appreciate the card, the kind words. I love your channel too, buddy. And guys, get over it like him too. He's great for the community. I mean, he's got tutorials on how to rust and do all kinds of, and he's dang good at it, guys. Go over there and check him out too. Help him get up to 1,000. I mean, you know, help both these guys jump up there, which Gary, he's jumped up there. Help Mr. Mars here. Help him get up there. All right, this video, you know, I've not got really much done on the Trog build, guys. Like I said, I've been gone. And then this next week, this is probably the only video you get for me for this whole week to next week, probably, because when I go back to work Monday, I have to work 7 days straight, guys, and it's 12-hour days. I'm gone, you know, 16 hours or so out of the day. I'm not gonna have time to put a video up, guys. I'm sorry. The Jaguar's been on hold right now. The little Trog build is on hold right now. This is all I've gotten done, is getting it sectioned down on the frame, making the notches and everything. There's nothing done, guys. I haven't gotten it. Of course, you know, there's a good long time limit on that, so we're not so worried about it and stuff. So what can I show you? What can I show you? What have I done? Well, me and a buddy, we do a lot of trading all the time. Old Donnie, he's from California. We've been trading around and doing stuff for a good while now and stuff. And so I'll just show you what he sent me in the mail. And then while I was gone, I hit one of the flea markets where we was at, me and the wife, and I found a model. And I'll show you all that. So, sorry guys, there's no model building getting done this week, you know, and it won't be for the next week or so, seeable. So, y'all just hang with me. I'll try to get y'all some cool stuff to look at. Well, me and him do some trading and stuff, so told him I needed a couple more of those 64 Marauder kits, so I got 2 sealed 64 Marauder kits. These ones here are from the 90s here. They're not the original issue. They're the 1995. They're the buyer's choice. They're in the smaller box. Y'all seen here a while back where me and Rob did some trading around, and I got the new release of this, which is in the bigger box, but the same box art, but a bigger box. So basically same kits, just this one's like molded in gray where the other one's molded in white, you know, stuff like that. And then the price tag on this one was $12, if you can see that, back in 1995. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this little baby right here. That is from $1976. Cool little box too. I mean, that thing's awesome. This right here, we all know what that is. Y'all know I love my Johans. 1970 Olds hard top. Now, the coup de grace, as old Brian would say, Mr. BG, original issue 1963 Johan Starfire. Somebody had pulled the original tag off there. Boy, I wish they'd have left that thing on there. Seen what that was. But other than that, the box is in great shape. It's not been built. Everything's in here, guys. The chrome tree. Now, a lot of stuff's off the trees, but it's all in there. So that was awesome. That was an awesome trade right there, man. You know I love my Johans, especially like flat boxes and original boxes. I love them. Okay, I think that, well, and he sent me some, you know, old boxes, you know, that don't have nothing in them, maybe a few loose parts or whatever and stuff. right there. He knows I love my 32 scales too, so he sent me some old box art. And then he sent me another, because you know I got the second issue of the a la carte in the different box and its complete kit. Well, he sent me the box to the first issue. I thought was very, very cool. Look at that. Sent me that. And then he sent me the box. We already made a trade, and I got the car from him, and I got that here a while back. And he sent the box too this time. I guess he was going to send it the first time, and shipping got a little higher or something, and he decided to wait, and he sent me the box to it. But that would be it right there from Mr. Donnie. Donnie Yager. I can't hardly spell his last name, Yager. He'll probably grill me if I said it wrong. But all right, and this one right here is what I picked up at the it was an antique shop. This one was an antique shop, not a flea market. I give $29 for that. $30. I give $30 for that. It's the body has the decals on it, and it's got just a little bit started, but it's never been painted. The instructions, everything's there. It's been, you can see where the decals are cracking up on it. The glass was put in it, but it's molded in white and black parts, and this is all that's been built right here. Is that everything else is still on the trees and still in there. So it was started and never finished. $30. Oh my God, you can't beat that. It's never been painted. So that's an easy restoration right there. Very easy restoration. Order me some decals for it. Strip those decals off of it. Man, that thing is nice. What is that anyway? That's a Malibu, ain't it? Kel Yarborough Malibu. So that would be probably from about 1974 or 75. Let y'all see the box art on that. Man, I got a steal on that thing. I think it's this one right here. I got the original issue of this one right here. Got the reissue of that. I know I got the reissue of that one. I might have the reissue of that one. I'd have to look in there somewhere. But hey, pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm sorry to bore you guys. I've already, 12 minutes and something here, 13 minutes. Didn't really have nothing for you. That's the only thing I could show you right there. Nothing's been done. Like I said, this week, celebrate me and the wife's 34th wedding anniversary. I took my beautiful wife away for the weekend, and so I haven't responded to anybody. I haven't watched any videos, guys. I'll try to get there, and like I said, kind of sad news and everything. It is sad news. It ain't kind of, it is sad news to lose a great modeling community buddy, and nobody wants to hear that, but it makes you think, we're all going to meet the Lord one of these days. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.